Good morning, Mr. Krishiv. Say good morning, Miss Navi. What's your name? Say my name is Krishiv. Krishiv. Krishiv, can you tell me what is that first picture of?
Queen.
It's Queen. Very good. Where does the Queen live?
Cassie.
Very good job. The Queen lives in the castle. Is your mommy a queen?
No.
Yes. Okay, show me the next picture. What is the next picture?
Teddy.
Where is it? What is that?
Turtle.
Say turtle. Very good. Where does the turtle live?
Water.
Very good. The turtle lives in the water. What color is the turtle?
Gina.
Very good. Are you a turtle?
No.
No? You are green today? Cutie pie. Okay, what is the next picture of? What is that?
A shadow.
That's a rose. Can you say rose? Can you pretend to smell a rose? Does a rose smell good?
Yeah.
Can you say rose?
Road.
What color is that rose?
Red.
Very good job. It's green and red. Okay, what is that last picture of?
Soap.
Very good. Can you tell me in the mic, what is that?
Soap.
What do you do with soap?
Wash.
You wash? Do you wash your hands with soap?
Wash the key.
Okay, very good. Can you count from 1 to 10 for me?
One.
No, come over here.
Soap.
Okay, let's count 1 to 10 in the mic, okay? 1,
2, 3, 4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
8, 9.
10. Very good. Can you give me high five? High five. Okay. Everybody say good job, Krishiv.
Good job, Krishiv.
What do you say? What do you say, Krishiv? Say thank you, friends.
Thank you.